Are you a student, STEM professional, or H-1B holder thinking long-term residency in the US? The EB-5 visa route is no longer niche. It's becoming mainstream among Indians. With investment plus job creation, EB-5 offers a potential shortcut to a green card. But it's not cheap, not always easy, and it has risks. Let's break it down. What is EB-5 and how it works? EB-5, or the Immigrant Investor Program, is a US visa category where foreign nationals can secure permanent resident status, green card, by investing in a US commercial enterprise that creates or preserves at least 10 full-time jobs for US workers. The minimum investment is generally $1,050,000 US, but if you invest in a targeted employment area or a TEA, rural or high unemployment, you can invest around $800,000 US. You can go through regional centers, more passive investment, or direct investment, more control, more risk. Why Indians are showing more interest now? Recent trends show more Indians, students, professionals are considering EB-5 because high visa wait times and backlogs in employment-based categories like EB-2 and EB-3. Uncertainty or stricter rules for student visas, F1, OPT, etc., pushing people to seek more predictable routes. Rising income, savings, home equity in India make large investments more feasible or jointly funded by families. As the report says, many are leveraging financial progress to pool capital. Key requirements and steps for Indian applicants. To qualify for EB-5, Indians will need to ensure several things. You have the investment capital $800,000 US in a TEA or $1,050,000 US otherwise, and can prove the funds are clean and legal. Choose a good project. Regional center versus direct investment. Regional centers often offer lower operational burden. Evidence of job creation. The enterprise must create or preserve 10 full-time jobs for US workers. Documentation required. Be aware of processing times and backlog. Indians may face longer waits due to demand. Pros versus risks. What to watch out for? Pros: direct path to green card without employer sponsorship. Dependents: spouse, unmarried children under 21 included. Flexibility: you can live, work, and study freely once permanent resident. Risk and challenges: high capital requirement. Not everyone can invest $800,000 plus US. Project risk: investment must be maintained. Some projects fail, potential for delays. Policy changes: EB-5 rules changed in past. Future reforms possible. Waiting times or backlogs: even with investment, approvals can take time. Indians may be especially impacted. What you should do if considering EB-5. Here's a checklist if you think EB-5 might be right for you. Assess if you can mobilize required investment capital and prove its legal source. Research and pick credible regional centers or direct investment projects with track record. Consult an experienced immigration attorney specializing in EB-5. Plan finances and backup because delays or unexpected issues can happen. Keep alternatives like employment-based green cards, study-to-work paths, or other investor options in view. EB-5 is no longer just for the ultra-rich. It's becoming a realistic path for some Indians with means and long-term US goals. But it's a big decision with big stakes. If you're thinking of going this route, do your homework, pick wisely, and act with care. Comment below, thinking EB-5, if this is something you might pursue. Like this if you found this helpful. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos on US immigration options for Indians.